Alam mo yung when you do an album, hindi lahat nagiging single. Yung
Iba
mga
lang,
ganong
iba.
part.
Nakikinig ako.
Diyan ka pala. Ito si Fiang, ang bata pa nito. 12 lang to eh.
13
Ay,
this year po.
pinaglaruan.
How excited are you for February?
Kasi I wanted to sing all my songs. Well, not all, but most of it. And kaya reset, kasi di ba uso ngayon yung, anong tawag sa ganon? Parang reimagines. Kasi ilang album na nga ako? 19.
Wow.
19 albums.
Oo, 19 albums na. So, alam mo yung when you do an album, hindi lahat nagiging single. Yung
Iba
mga
lang,
ganong
iba.
part.
Nakikinig ako.
Diyan ka pala. Pero alam mo, si Fiang kasi did a music video of one of my songs. Wherever you are, nabaintay
Opo. Yeah, wherever you are.
Pinamagat niya.
Naggawa siya ng kasama ng kanyang ka-love team.
Yung parang scene niya, mermaid ako. Si Jem that time is nalunod, parang depressed siya. And naka-pressure kasi kanta siya ni Miss Regine.
Ang ganda kaya. And thank you very much for doing the music video. I was so happy seeing the music video.
Congratulations din po pala, Miss Regine, dahil 40th anniversary niyo na po ni Sir Ogie.
Yes!
Ano po yung pinaka-recent kilig moments niyo po with Sir Ogie po?
Last year, binila niya ako ng bag. At yung bag na mahirap makuha. So, I guess, when you're having fun with your partner, parang feeling ko fresh pa sa mind ko yung kasal namin, yung ganon. Tapos lagi ko siyang, alam mo yung binibaby talk, tawang-tawa ko dun. Tsaka ginagawa ko yun yung tulog siya.
Nagtulog siya?
Ay, chichiwe, ginagawa ko siya. Tapos napubwisit siya. Pero, tapos gagawin niya rin sa akin. Is you're able to do that with your partner. Kasi it's the communication that's important. I think sense of humor is key in our relationship or in any relationship. We both have great sense of humor. And kasi kahit yung nag-aaway kami, nakakatawa pa rin eh. Yung ganon, yung comedy pa rin. You don't need to fight each other every single time meron ka mapansin. I wanna say I wanna go back to acting, but I'm not sure. I'd probably accept it. Because I haven't acted in a while. Ayun. Baka umarte ulit. Although maarte naman ako talaga. And please watch Reset.
Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid! Thank you once again, Miss Red.
Happy New Year! Ay, tapos na.
Happy New Year ulit! Happy New Year!